Gang, gang. What up, Retro family? What up, Retro gang gang? This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Back at you at the shoebox, coming at you with some new heat and content as promised. Yo, hit the like button, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all share, leave a comment. You know the routine. Let's get right into it. We got these Yeezys, 350 boosts. Get right into it. The statics is what they calling them. Purchase these from Foot Locker. Had the $40 gift card at retail for $220. Went up one size. My usual size is a 12. When I'm learning with the 350 boost is you got to go up one size. So that's what I did. Went up one size. These are called the static. Don't go nowhere. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all a review, a detail. Don't play. There, stop. Of course, y'all leave a comment. Tell me what y'all think. You know, I'm getting into the Yeezy wave. I ain't no hype beast. We not doing all that, but they're comfortable. Like y'all seen the other pair me and Maddie got. Go back out and check that vlog. We got the zebra stripes. Actually, on that pair, it has the 350 on it. This one doesn't. They're see-through, so whatever socks you wear are gonna come up with it. So, you know, let's get right into it. On foot, gang, gang, yeah. Gang, gang. This your boy Retro Rick coming back at you as promised. On foot, Yeezy, static. Y'all don't want no static. I got an Adidas, you know what I'm saying? Nice, warm hoodie on. I ain't gonna say hoodie, but sweatshirt. Let's get right into it. Let's wake the dead. I'm dead stop these things. Of course, y'all leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And we out. Now y'all see what I was talking about. Still got the little zebra stripes or polka dots in them. See-through. Everybody see what's going on. Like I told you, I went up one size. 12 is my size, but I went up to 13. Gang, gang.